Hello, we're going to take a look at the manual maintenance procedure which you will need to perform on your devices. Let's start by taking a look at the recommended equipment that you will need in order to carry out a manual clean. Also, please ensure that you have adequate safety wear. Before starting your manual maintenance procedure, remove any media, then navigate in the menu panel into the sub-menu and the maintenance menu and select the cleaning option. The menu screen will then direct you through taking off the covers. You have 30 minutes in which to complete your clean. The print head will travel over to the left hand side of the machine for easier cleaning access. Dip a cleaning swab into the cleaning solution as shown so that we can clean the print head surrounds. Here we are looking to clean away any excess ink from the print head frames and the black plastic head surround. Clean the front, back and sides of both print heads. Note that we do not actually clean the surface of the print heads. A torch or a light can be useful at this stage to help identify any loose hairs or fluff that may have become attached to the print head. If you see any fluff or hairs, use the swabs or tweezers to remove as necessary. Next, we're going to go over to the right hand side of the machine to clean the wiper blades. Clean all around the wiper blades to remove any ink. You may need to gently rub at the surface of the wiper if ink has accumulated and dried there. Take this opportunity to check the condition of the wipers. If the wiper looks old and worn, it may need replacing. To replace a wiper, simply unhook the notches at the bottom, pull out the wiper and replace with a new one. Again, you can use your torch to check this area for any fluff or hairs. Periodically, you may need to replace the felt in your machine. In order to do this, as a separate process, go into the sub-menu, into the maintenance menu and select Replace Felt. Next, we're going to clean the capping station. The cap tops create an airtight seal on the underside of the print head when it's not in use. You will need to clean all the way around the gasket to ensure that the seal is clean and working properly. Clean the plastic surround and the rubber seal. There shouldn't be any need to clean the inside of the cap top. Again, you can use a torch to look for loose hairs and fluff and also to check the condition of the cap top. If the seal is damaged in any way, then it may need replacing. You can wipe down any other surfaces surrounding the capping station. Be sure to clean the maintenance compartments as well to get rid of any dust or fluff. This would normally involve wiping the surfaces with isopropanol. Once you replace the covers, your clean is finished.